Once upon a time, Bodhidharma went to China, and the emperor of China went to see him. And the emperor said, "My mind is very uneasy, very disturbed. You are a great sage, and I have been waiting for you. Tell me what I should do to put my mind at peace." Bodhidharma said, "You don't do anything. First, you bring your mind to me." The emperor could not follow. He said, "What do you mean?" He said, "Come in the morning at 4 o'clock when nobody is there. Come alone and remember to bring your mind with you." The emperor couldn't sleep the whole night. Many times he cancelled the whole idea. "This man seems to be mad. What does he mean? Come with your mind. Don't forget." The man was so enchanting, so charismatic, that he couldn't cancel the appointment, as a magnet was pulling him. At 4 o'clock he jumped out of the bed and said, "Whatsoever happens, I must go. This man may have something. His eyes says that he has something. Looks a little crazy, but still I must go and see what can happen." So he reached, and Bodhidharma was sitting with his big staff. He said, "So you have come. Where is your mind? Have you brought it or not?" The emperor said, "You talk nonsense. When I am here, my mind is here, and it is not something which I can forget somewhere. It is in me." So Bodhidharma said, "Okay, so the first thing is decided, that the mind is within you." The emperor said, "Okay, the mind is within me." Bodhidharma said, "Now close your eyes and find out where it is. And if you can find out where it is, immediately indicate to me. I will put it at peace." So the emperor closed his eyes, tried and tried, looked and looked. The more he looked, the more he became aware there is no mind. Mind is an activity. It is not something there so you can pinpoint it. But the moment he realized that it is not something, then the absurdity of his quest became exposed to himself. If it is not something, nothing can be done about it. If it is an activity, then don't do the activity. That's all. If it is like walking, don't walk. He opened his eyes. He bowed down to Bodhidharma and said, "There is no mind to be found." Bodhidharma said, "Then I have put it at peace. And whenever you feel that you are uneasy, just look within. Where that uneasiness is, the very look is anti-mind, because look is not a thinking. And if you look intensely, your whole energy becomes a look, and the same energy becomes movement and thinking. Yoga is the ending of mind." Dear friends, observe in your life. Mind is the activity of thoughts. Do not attach to your thoughts and emotions. Just observe them. You will realize there is no mind. You are different from your thoughts, emotions, and feelings. You are like the blue sky, and the mind and its activity is like the cloud. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.